show you how to make the moss covered numbers. What you need is a number. These I think are made of MDF. It's about 5 inches high. Just need a number. I got these at Michael's. I'll show you in my live video when I go shopping. And you need some moss. So I got 2 different colors, combine them together. Thought it'd be good to mix it up, have some variety. I am wearing gloves because the other day when I made them, I found out I was allergic to the moss and I got a rash all over my hands. So I have to wear gloves today. You probably won't have that problem because you don't have ridiculously sensitive skin like I do. So your moss, you're gonna pull some out, get it all ready because once you start gluing, you gotta stick it right on. And you're gonna break it into smaller pieces. All you need is your number, your moss, a glue gun, and extra sticks for your glue gun. You're probably going to use a lot here. Alright, so I just start off gluing the front surface first. Glue small sections at a time because otherwise it will harden before you can stick your moss on. So there isn't a lot of trick to this. You're just going to grab pieces and push them onto the hot glue with your fingers. It doesn't matter if there's pieces hanging over the edge because we're going to glue all around the edge also. Stick it all together. So I'm alternating between the dark green and the lighter green just to give it some variety. And you just glue wherever there's, or you just put moss wherever there's empty space there. If you miss something, it's an easy fix. You just go back, add a little glue on the side, stick another piece in there, and push it down. Now this is a pre-recorded video. If you have questions, please post them. I will answer as best I can. This one is a pretty simple project for the boho session. Get some birthday numbers there for the kiddos. I'm only doing up to 3rd birthdays. I only want to do preschool kids because my work hours are just during school hours. So I can't get in school age kids. Just keep going and gluing. And I'm going to speed this video up so you don't have to watch it all. So I finished all my edges, so now I'm going to flip and do the back. I'm going to pull out some more moss quick so it's easy to grab. This was 2 small bags worth. I saw there was some really big bags there, but I didn't like the selection of moss inside, so I went with 2 different small ones. These colors are gorgeous. Just love it. Reminds me of Vancouver, Stanley Park. It's pretty mossy there. questions, post them below.